Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is WPS Office. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is WPS Office? WPS Office, an acronym for Writer, Presentation, and Spreadsheets, previously known as Kingsoft Office, is an office suite for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, Fire OS, and Harmony OS, developed by Zhuhai-based Chinese software developer company Kingsoft. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on what is WPS Office. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.